Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to see your send friend request on your Instagram application, and there is possible to cancel all the friend requests. So nowadays this Instagram is most popular social network in all over the world, and lots of Android and iOS users are using this service. At same time, some Insta lovers are mistakenly send their follow requests to unknown users, and after they feel how to remove that kind of request. So if you feel same thing, just follow me friends, because I show the steps to cancel it. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application in your Android mobile or iOS device, and then click to sign in your Insta profile. So after you complete these steps, now in this feed section you can press this person icon, and it is placed at the bottom of fifth one, and it shows my entire Insta profile informations. But in this section you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon, and it is placed at almost top of right side corner, and then go to settings, and it is placed at the bottom. So in the settings section you can go to security settings on the fourth one. So here it shows some security related settings, but you can press access data option, and it is placed under the data and history section. So now it shows some categories, but you can go to connections. So just scroll down. So finally I locate it. So in this section you can press view all link from current follow request settings. So and then you can see, so it shows some Insta profile user IDs. So I sent the friend request to that particular Insta profile users, but this is my mistake. So how to cancel this request? So just go back to your Insta homepage. Now in this homepage section you can press this search tool and the second one. So one more time you can press the same search tool icon, and then search that particular Insta profile ID. And this is that ID. So finally you can press requested option, and then it automatically shows follow option, which means that I cancel that send friend request from this Insta user. But there is no possible to cancel all the sent requests at a time. So you can do this process one by one. So overall I complete my tutorial to cancel your send friend request. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.